Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope all are doing good. Viewers, today in this video, super job opportunity from Disney Plus Hotstar. They are hiring for software development engineering position, work location Bangalore. So we'll discuss complete details. Before going into a main content, small request to the viewers, those who are visiting channel for the first time, our channel provides all latest job updates time to time, so please do subscribe channel. Viewers, in order to apply for this position, required qualification, candidates who have completed BE, BTech, MTech, PhD in computer science can apply for this position. Candidate need to have knowledge regarding Python, Java, in a sense strong coding skills, experience with AWS stack, strong understanding of database and storage fundamentals. Obviously, candidate will possess these things. Experience building distributed domain driven microservices. Even they clearly mention like our values and company offering nice perks also like no dress code, unlimited leave, a fun life balance, a ticket on our rocket ship to the moon. So they even Disney Plus Hotstar even offering nice perks to the candidates like career growth. When we come to daily job responsibilities, viewers, you will be continuously evaluate relevant technologies, influence and drive architecture and design discussions, and as well as you will design and implement low latency coaching and storage solution. You are going to work on an app. You will build stream processing pipelines to communicate personalized recommendation for our users in real time. Obviously, when we use Hotstar, we'll get some kind of recommendations. Even same thing was mentioned here. You will build stream processing pipelines to communicate personalized recommendation for our users in real time. So they clearly mention even after selecting like what you need to do. You will build robust, secure, scalable microservices to empower personalization engine at Hotstar. Interested candidates can apply for this position. And next job opportunity from Deloitte viewers. Deloitte hiring off-campus hiring for BTA position, work location is Hyderabad. In order to apply for this position, required qualification, candidates who have completed their BE, BTech in any stream can apply for this position. General like common expectation for every organization, obviously excellent communication skills, analytical skills, conversation skills, ability to chart one's own career and build network with organization. The candidate who have selected, he or she need to work independently and prove his ability and as well as be a good team player with professionals at all the levels. Ability to prioritize tasks, work on multiple assignments and raise concern question where appropriate. Suggest practical solution and partner with client to implement the solution. Where you need to work on major projects, you need to build, improve relationship, seek feedback to identify areas of improvements. When we start conversation, the other person will say which area we need to improve so that ultimately the project or work will be completed on time, that too successfully. Identify best practices and implement in the engagement. They need a candidate who is flexible enough to work in rotational shifts, interact with clients, functional SMEs. If you see skills, they already mentioned in what they are expecting from the candidate. In the basic qualification, they already included all these points, but even though they mention separately skills like be deadline oriented and quality focused, we need to complete our work on time, guys. This is a very important point. We discuss this point, strong communication skills, presentation skills, that too professionally, where we are going to deal with high level professionals. Presentation skills, demonstration skills, documentation skills, good general understanding of information technology. He or she need to be flexible with MS Office, especially Word, Excel, PowerPoint, as we are dealing with documentation part, and good analytical skills. Interested candidates can apply for this position. Even company offering benefits to the employee to build their career with broad range of benefits with Deloitte culture. Interested candidates can apply. I am going to provide two important links like Disney Plus Hotstar link, Deloitte link in the description. Through link you can apply particular position if it is matches to your profile. Hope this video is useful for you. Viewers, please do like the video so that it will reach to needy people who are in search of job. Thank you very much and all the best for your upcoming interviews. Please do subscribe Adira Job Creation YouTube channel. Hit bell icon to receive all latest job updates time to time. Thank you.